Hi guys, Miss Francis here to talk to you today about the anatomy of a C3 plant. First of all, before we even talk about a C3 plant, we need to know how photosynthesis occurs. In other words, how do plants get the carbon dioxide that they need and get rid of excess oxygen that they don't need? It's through the stomates of the leaves or the lenticles of the stems. Now, we learned when we did our transpiration lab that there are different types of plants. There are C3, C4, and CAM plants. All of these plants are photosynthetic, however, they have different adaptations that make them more efficient at doing photosynthesis in specific climates. We're going to focus on the C3 plant since they are the most common type of photosynthetic plant. So here's the anatomy of a C3 plant, and we're going to go through each of the parts and address its main function. So here you've got the cuticle. The main function of the cuticle is to prevent excess water loss. It is a waxy covering that helps prevent the water loss. Then you've got this upper epidermis. The upper epidermis is mainly there for protection from mechanical injury. Then you've got this palisade mesosphil layer. You can see that it contains the most chloroplasts. So this is where the most amount of photosynthesis is going to occur. Next, you have the spongy mesosphil. Do you notice how there are spaces in the spongy mesosphil? So this allows for the circulation of gases, circulation of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Then you've got the lower epidermis. Again, it's used for protection, just as the upper epidermis is used as protection. Number 6 is the stoma, the stomates, the stomata. That enables gas exchange as well as transpiration to occur. Then you've got the guard cells. The guard cells are what regulate the opening of the and closing of the stoma. Lastly, you've got the vascular bundle. The vascular bundle is composed of the xylem and the phloem. Those are involved in transport of materials through the plant, where the xylem carries the water up from the roots and the phloem carries the food through the plant. So that's the anatomy of the C3 plant.